Guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's Simon down here at Oxford Golf Centre. It's been a while, it's that time of year, nights are drawing in, and this place luckily lets me practice, so thank you to Mark and the boys down here that let me practice my long drive. But tonight isn't about long drive. I'm going to go through the full bargain review setup. I'm going to hit all of the clubs, and basically the great thing about nighttime and a floodlit range is you get to see all the ball flights. I'm going to try and hit them a bit more lower and penetrating, because my ball flight is very high, especially for my club head speed, and then get to the good bits, the lower lofted irons, as well as that 3-wood off the high tee, which I used to do a lot on my Instagram page, but I'm now bringing it to YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, leave it a like, comment what your favourite shot was, and a bit of music, bit of editing. I think it's about time we get straight into the video.
So other than that, it's cool.
Bye.